On the workbench today we have an Amiga 500. It's one I've just bought. What I'm going to do is open it up and see if there's any problems inside, like leaky capacitors or anything. I've already took the trapdoor memory out and that had a leaky battery. So what do we need? We need the sort of star type screws for this. Is that the one? No, must be that one. Out. Looks like this 500 may have had some work done on it, but it looks like it's had another sticker put over the warranty seal. So let's see if there's anything different inside it. Turn it around, screws at the back. Oops, lost that one, I'll do that later. Okay, that's all the screws you need to take out to get into these. I should be able to take the top cover off. There we go. I haven't powered this up at all yet, so very dusty. It's quite a dusty keyboard. I need to get a bit of dust down. So next thing to do is undo all these tabs so we can get the shielding off. And have a look underneath there. Any more? No, I think that's all there is. So I'm going to take that screw out. And that one. What else? Yes, the one here, the expansion port. The shielding will now, I've missed one. The shielding should come off now. Got all the tabs. Yep. Okay, what have we got inside here? Well, it doesn't look like the memory leaked onto the main board, so that's good. No modifications inside. Seems to be a standard 8372A Agnes, standard Denise, 2 CIA chips. Caps don't look to be bulging at all, so we may be okay to hammer this up. Again, a bit dusty, wants a bit of a clean. So, right, I'll find a power supply and we'll just give it a quick boot up. Okay, let's switch on. There we go, that's come on. Now I need to just get a test disc. So now we're going to switch on and try the this test disc. Right, there we go. So check the memory, megabyte. Testing of the memory. Yes, that seems to be passing. Keyboard test. Escape's not working. Floppy drive. Audio. Video. And the escape key seems to be the only key that's not working. So we might have to take the keyboard apart and check that. Might just be a bit of dirt under on the membrane. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Buy me a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee or Coffee. Links are all in the description. You can support me on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Bye.